Sister's Date kasi liquor ban. But look at all the comedy clubs that feature that kind of comedy. May clowns, may Zirko. If you just grade it by income, talong-talo kami. Talong-talo kami. So, we cannot say we're better than them. Income pa lang, they're better than us. We're just a different offering. And then, how did we select the members?
Natural selection. Pwede lang. Umpisa kasi, nag-jamming-jamming lang kami ng bahay ni Gabe. Tapos, paunti-unting nawawala. Sinong natira, sanay naging member. Tapos, yung iba, nag-workshop. Tapos, sige, jam kayo, jam. Tapos, unti-unti rin natira, inabsorb. Si Cha lang talaga yung through Twitter.
Nagkakay lang ako kaya.
Oo, kasi nag-leave si Monica kasi Buddhist. So, kailangan namin isang girl. So, nag-tweet lang si Dave. Tapos siya yung sumagot. Okay. In fairness, marketing naman siya at madami kaming sponsors ngayon. So, okay na.
Tapos yung pag nabablanko sa stage, usually ako yung biktima nun. Ako yung lagi ipa-front nila na yung last joke ay manggagaling kay ako. Nakasalakay sa kanya ang ikasasucess nitong... Tapos yun ako, pressured ako, kailangan mag-come up ako with a joke na talagang lahat. So, hit miss kami. Pero, ikaw na, sige na, sama na.
I think you can freeze, you can bomb. That's part of it. Just don't do it too often.
And in a scene naman, there's always your scene partner who'll take care of it. And that's the difference in improv. And the other acts is, if you freeze, trust that somebody will save you.
So you're actually